So we got these little bypass caps from O'Reilly's to cap off this one. We have a new year F150, you gotta cap off one of them, and that one will connect to your little hose. I guess they removed this one, so it connects to the, what'd you say, the brake booster?
Yeah.
So they removed it on the newer model, I have a 2023. So all you gotta do is just cap it off, and then I'm gonna secure it with one of these hose clamps. This one right it has some lines, so it's gonna be that one. Yeah. It might have a button to it.
This is just a flat. I had to pop this little.
Yes, yeah. I don't want to break that shit.
You can see it.
Yeah.
I can see it. Am I in the spot?
No, you're not. Lower, right there. Feel that right there. Yeah, let's pop off the other side, and it'll be easier. We can flip it. That's the engine side.
Oh no, you're telling me the wrong spot. Things up here.
Hours later.
Alright, so now we'll be taking off the stock box. But it's still a really good box. I actually didn't want to run a cone filter because I have a K&N in there. But I was going to try to connect it to this, but it didn't fit. So I'll probably eventually end up swapping it to a K&N tube that connects to the stock box that they sell online. I just didn't want to get it because it comes in a kit with this filter, which I already have. So I'm gonna see if I could just get the tube alone. This is really good too. The K&N high flow filter, which just connects to the stock box and the stock tube. But I wanted to upgrade to the performance tube. JLT. Alright, so you want to make sure when you put this grommet on, you have this already on there, because it will not fit through this side. We did cap this one off. This part just clamps into the stock box. So you want to angle this part kind of up a little bit before you tighten that back, so that it enter into there. Just finish tightening it up these, tighten up the cone, and should be it, huh? And then put your little thing back. Alright, this part is connected. Kind of want to move it a little bit, and then you're going to want to hear the click. Should be if this part's tight.
Yes, sir.
It's nice and tight. That's how it looks. Now we're gonna start it. I'm gonna start up. Get it from the back. It's gonna be a warm start. Could definitely hear the induction. Oh, it's louder a bit. It's louder actually. That shit louder. Oh, that shit's bad. I need a GoPro. Oh, you can hella hear it sucking. I kid you not, bro. It feels a little faster. It at least feels more responsive. Oh, that shit hella growls more. Shit growls way fucking more. Shit's pretty bad. Sounds way better, fool. I don't know if it's a tube or the cone.
I think it's the cone.
You can hear the whistle though, huh, the whole time?
Yeah.
Well, that shit's crazy. It didn't sound like that before. Oh, it did not sound like that before. That shit sounds way harder.
Careful a little bit over here. There's usually a cop.
I know. Alright, this shit sounds fucking way better, bro. This shit sounds fucking way better. It's crazy. I'll do the window. You hear that?
Yeah.
That shit, it didn't do that before. That was like not even there. Before it was just like the exhaust out the back, but now you hear it in the front way more.
You can hear that.
Oh, it's like on no roads, huh? I just go straight, fuck it. I don't know if it feels faster or not though. That for sure sounds better.
There's more air, so the throttle response is better.
I don't know if it feels faster though. The intake cone actually fell off in this clip. That's why the truck was not performing as it should. As you could hear me say that it doesn't feel faster, but it actually was after we put it back. So the cone fell off. Make sure you tighten it good.
Seconds. Yeah.
This part's tight.
Yeah, sure.
You notice the whistle isn't as loud no more?
Yeah.
I got my torque back. I lost the torque earlier. Put in sport. Give the kids another run, another flyby. Hopefully they don't, the school doesn't call the cops on me. Sounds nice though. I guess today's just one of those days, man. Like, it's real fresh outside. How mamas? Truck feels really nice right now. See if I could. Nice. You can feel the vibrations from it. For 120 bucks, man, I'd say it's worth it. Turns your truck into a beast. And it's really only loud when you get on it, man. it's not loud. Like right now I'm cruising and it's